Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at an awesome pre-built gaming rig that balances performance, cooling, and aesthetics. This is the ViprTech Ghost 3.0, a liquid-cooled PC. Before we get into all the details, make sure to check the link in the description below to grab this exact setup at the best price today. Specs breakdown. Here's what this build comes with. CPU, AMD Ryzen 5 5600X, 6 cores, 12 threads, up to 4.6 GHz. GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4068 GB. RAM, 32 GB DDR4 at 3200 MHz. Storage, 1 TB NVMe SSD. Cooling, custom liquid cooling system. Wi-Fi, built-in wireless connectivity. OS, Windows 11. Case, RGB tower with tempered glass panel. Extras, VR ready, great for streaming and gaming out of the box. Gaming performance. This setup is perfect for gamers who want smooth gameplay without spending a fortune. 1080p Ultra settings, easily handles AAA games like GTA 5, Cyberpunk 2077, and Call of Duty. 1440p gaming, runs titles like Fortnite, Apex Legends, and Warzone at high settings with 80 to 120 FPS. Ray Tracing plus DLSS, RTX 4060 handles it well in supported games. VR ready, you're good to go for Oculus, HTC Vive, and other VR headsets. It's not built for 4K Ultra gaming, but for most gamers, this is more than enough, especially if you're focused on high frame rates and competitive play. Streaming and multitasking. The Ryzen 5 5600X is still one of the best value chips out there for gaming plus streaming. Easily handles OBS while gaming with no lag or frame drops. 32 GB RAM means smooth performance even with multiple apps, browser tabs, Discord, and game overlays running. Great for light content creation like video editing, Photoshop, or streaming to Twitch and YouTube. Design and cooling. One of the standout features here is the custom liquid cooling system. Keeps CPU temps low even under load. Quiet operation, no annoying fan noise. RGB lighting on fans and components gives it a slick, modern gaming vibe. The tempered glass side panel lets you show off the clean internal layout. It's a great blend of performance and aesthetics. Pros and cons. Pros. Solid 1080p/1440p performance with RTX 4060. Liquid-cooled Ryzen 5 5600X runs cool and quiet. 32 GB RAM and 1 TB SSD included, no need to upgrade. VR ready and great for streaming. Awesome value for the price. Cons. Not ideal for 4K gaming or high-end content creation. No DDR5, still running DDR4, but totally fine for this price point. Custom cooling is pre-installed, not beginner-friendly if you want to tinker. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a great all-around gaming PC that's ready to go right out of the box, the ViprTech Ghost 3.0 is a strong contender. With liquid cooling, modern specs, and clean aesthetics, it's perfect for gamers who want reliable performance without building their own system. Check the link in the description to grab it at the best available price today. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments, is this the kind of gaming rig you'd use for your setup? Catch you in the next one. Peace, victory hand emoji.